I saw this post on the Byte blog, and I was shocked. Say AI fired. Two AI got fired. Two AI news reporter got fired. So I was like, wow, that a news house in Hawaii, Garden Island newspaper, hired two AI to be their news anchor. Okay, we are talking about AI replacing human. It has started. And they actually want to be the first media house to use AI, okay, in their news reporting. So they hired two AI. But recently, they fired the two AI. Just like you fire a person, somebody you employed, they have to fire the two AI. Okay, so what's happening? Okay, what's happening? So I was shocked. I said, let me dig deep. Let me see what's happened. The names of these two AI are James and Rose. So they named the AI James and Rose. And they are news anchor in their media house. Okay, suddenly they fired them. So this AI was created by an Israeli company called Kaledo. Okay, and why did they fire this AI? Why? Because we assume that AI is becoming more efficient than human being. Why are they now filing the AI and leaving the human being? Because we are afraid that AI is going to replace human. So they cited so many reasons. All right. Then number one, that AI cannot pronounce well. Well, I was thinking that AI would be perfect in pronunciation, but actually, AI can't pronounce some certain words well. And AI can't pronounce Hawaiian names. They can't pronounce the name well. You understand? The Hawaii is not the name won't be like English name, like normal. It might be a local name. There are some local name that might be difficult to pronounce if you're not the local. If you're not a local. Okay, if you don't live there. Okay, if you don't know their dialect, you might not be able to pronounce their name properly. So AI couldn't pronounce some names well. It's just like when you give Igbo name or Hausa name or Yoruba name to AI to pronounce. AI won't do a good job at that, right? That was what happened. Okay, couldn't pronounce the names. And a newscaster is supposed to pronounce everything properly. Okay, so that people that are listening to you will understand it. So the AI made a mistake in that. So another mistake is that um, there are glitches when the AI is making a presentation. The glitches, it doesn't that human nuances, human gestures. AI doesn't really have it that much. Okay, it's still robotic to a good extent. Okay, they say that it couldn't even blink properly like the way human being blink. Okay, and the hand is greasing in the hand. Okay. So all these things made it so difficult for people to connect with the AI while the AI is presenting. Okay, and people were when they post the news anchored by this AI. Okay, when they post it on social media, people will be commenting against it. Okay, their comments wasn't quite great. Okay, so the media house, they've tried to manage this, they've tried to manage it, and they found out that it is not really helping the media house, it is killing it. Okay, because people are losing interest in the media and they spent money, a lot of money, to create this AI, but they're not getting anything in return. Instead, it is worsening the situation. Okay, so they have no other choice than to fire the two. So this brings me to the question I want to ask. Since this media house they hired two AI and the two AI failed, um, are we sure that AI can actually replace human in workplaces? That's a big question. because people are becoming afraid that AI will replace them. Oh my God. But looking at what just happened, this situation, can AI actually comfortably, completely replace human being in workplaces? Oh, my answer is yes. But it will be very gradual. To be very gradual. Okay, so don't just laugh and you relax that AI doesn't know what it's doing. It is already doing many things well, very well, even better than human. So, and it has already started replacing some human. Okay, some companies are no longer hiring as much as they do. They're reducing the number of people that they hire because they are already using AI to do some certain task. Okay, so don't be too comfortable that AI doesn't know what it's doing. Only that it knows what it's doing, but there are things it still can't do well. Do you understand? Just know that there are still things AI can't do well, but that doesn't mean it doesn't know what it's doing. Okay, gradually it will keep improving. Okay, you know how AI used to be before. Now AI, everybody is now using AI, and it is helping people solve problem, real problem, unlike the way it used to be. Okay, AI wasn't that useful before, but gradually becoming useful and more useful and more useful every day, and that is how it will continue to be useful until it has gotten to a point where people will no longer be, some jobs will no longer be that relevant anymore for human, because AI must have automated them. So don't just laugh at AI because they fired the two AI. So don't just laugh at them. Be smart enough to leverage AI to make money. Be smart enough to leverage AI. Make use of AI to make money. Learn skills that will help you make use of AI to make money. Because if you don't do that, you might be among the people that might be replaced by AI. Okay, so be smart, be fast, do it quickly. Okay, so that is it. If you love this content, please subscribe, like, share. I would appreciate it. Okay, so if you want to learn skills that will help you improve, check the comment section. You're going to see a link. Just click on the link. It will lead you to our academy, where you're going to see all the ICT courses that we are teaching. Okay, just click on the link below. It will lead you to our academy. In our academy, we'll have all the ICT courses you might need. Okay, both AI, okay, AI agents, web development, mobile app development, all the in-demand skill that you might need, okay, to stand out. We have it. Okay, so you learn and improve, and you stand the chance to leverage AI to make more money, to make money. Why people are complaining of losing their jobs or their job being taken by AI, you will keep fighting and keep improving, keep making money, and keep living above stress. All right? Thank you so much.